everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is SherelleSaintRose and today I'm back with another video. So this video is actually a part 2. In my last video I showed you how I made my wig. In this video I'll be showing you how I install it and transform a freshly made wig to make it look natural. So firstly I start off by sectioning off my leave out. The reason why I always have leave out in my wigs is because my hairline is extremely low and lace fronts will look so silly on me. So in order for me to have a natural looking wig, I have to have leave out. I've also become almost an expert on how to keep your leave out maintained without it breaking off. So if you would like a video on how I maintain my leave out and keep it nice and healthy as the rest of my hair, then just comment below. So once I've sectioned off my leave out, I then separate another bit of hair so that I can cane row it up, and this cane row will be something for me to attach my wig to. So after I sectioned off the part where my cane row will be, I had to get someone to cane row my hair because I don't know why I can always cane row other people's hair but I cannot cane row my own. It literally looks like a hot mess when I do it myself. Once my cane rows are finished, I then take off the hair that I sectioned last and then I section it into 2 parts in preparation to go underneath my wig. After I section my hair into 2 separate sections, I spray my hair with a little bit of warm water and oil, and then I give my hair a little bit of a finger detangle. And I also use a little bit of shea butter in the ends of my hair to seal in the moisture. Once I finish detangling and doing all of that, I then 2-strand twist my hair as tight as I can because this is going to go underneath my wig and I don't want a big bulge. Now that is all done, I get a hairband and then I basically put my hair in a ponytail. I try to put it tight but not so tight that it hurts, and I try to make the bun as flat as possible, and this is what it looks like. The next thing I do is put my wig on, and as you can see it needs a bit of styling done to it. But before we do that, we need to secure the wig onto my head. So I just grab some sectioning clips and clip the hair out of the way so that I can sew the wig onto my braids. And it's always a good idea to make sure that the wig is as far forward as possible to your hairline. Then I just get a needle and thread and stitch the wig on. Now when stitching my wig on, I like to make sure it's secure, but I don't like it to be too tight. I know it's tempting to tie it on really tight because you don't want it to go anywhere, but if it is too tight, you could end up damaging your hair, so it's always best to just stay on the safe side. And again, I'm making sure that the wig is close to my parting. Now that my wig is stitched on, this is what it looks like, and now we're going to style it, which I'm so excited about. When it comes to kinky curly extensions, styling your wig can make a big difference. As you can see, this is what the wig looks like. It looks nice and it looks natural, but we're going to make it look even better. So as I did with my own hair, I'm starting off with a spray bottle with warm water and a little bit of oil in it, and we are going to detangle the hair to the max. I'm also taking my time while doing this because you do get quite a bit of shedding when it comes to kinky curly hair. It's almost impossible to find kinky curly hair that doesn't shed. It's because of the texture and all the manipulation that you have to do with it. So as you can see, my hair is looking a lot more natural and a lot better already, and now we're going to go in with the Eco Styler gel to define some of those curls. Now there's not a particular way that I define the curls in my kinky curly hair. I literally just put it in and then I brush my hair until I'm kind of happy with how it looks. So about this hair is by a company called CurlsCurls, and currently I have two 18 inches in and one 16-inch closure. They have a variety of curl patterns on their website, but the hair that I have in today is in kinky curly. And if you're interested in purchasing this hair for yourself, I do have a $5 off coupon code. Just type in my first name, Sherelle. Now on the website they said that this hair has 50% shrinkage, and you can see that there is a lot of shrinkage in this hair. Once I've done one side, I move on to the other. I do exactly the same thing, spray it with warm water, detangle it until I'm happy with how it looks. Now the next thing to do is to blend your leave out to match the hair. Now I always find it a lot easier to blend my leave out when the actual extensions match my own hair. So what I did is I just put a little bit of Eco Styler in my own hair, as I did with the bundles, and then that was it. I let my hair shrink up, and as you can see it matches perfectly. And I barely put in work to blend my edges. Now to finish, I did also bleach the knots on this closure, and look how natural it looks, guys. Now to finish off the look, all I take is a diffuser on the hairdryer. I don't really mind about what temperature heat I'm using. I literally just blow dry the hair until it shrinks back up again. Most of the time I do use it on high flow and high heat just to get it done quicker, and it doesn't damage the hair also. Now if you're a subscriber to my channel, you know I love my hair to look big and fluffy, so then I just take an afro pick and I pick out my hair until I'm happy with the way that it looks. And after that quick styling, it literally took me about 10 minutes to do. It was very quick and easy. Let me quickly show you what my hair looked like before. And this is what it looks like now. So as you can see, just a little bit of styling makes a big difference. That's it for now, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, now is the time to do so. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!